Okay, let's see if we get this right. I think that's recording. Okay, here we go. Wow, without the canopy on, orientation's a bit of a hit and miss.
Panic recovery.
No, towards me.
Recovery, normal mode. Panic recovery.
Right.
Normal mode.
Definitely want a canopy on, because I can't tell which way she's pointing, bless. Oh. And it do not make your eyes run, this cold wind. So, for a first time out, I've never flown an helicopter before.
Normal mode.
Pretty impressed with myself and the Blade 330S. So, spore up. Yeah, that's windy, dudes. I'm just hoping this camera's got it. I'm not going too high because I'll lose it until I get confident. Oh, my hands are cold.
Hold mode.
Right, it's great. My hands are cold because that wind really not helicopter weather. Woo! Right, old mode, yeah, okay. Oh, bugger. Whew, yeah, impressed. So the old Blade 330S, that's the tune-ups of Coeshow and Ians YouTube channels. Bugger. Right, end of. Brilliant, chuff that, brilliant. Oh. Stop even.